Apocalypse.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. Today I am bringing you the 7th installment of our 13 Days of Halloween series with a Ouija demon. If you would like to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Starting with a white water activated face paint, I am taking this on a brush and just painting my entire face with this, and then blending it in with a sponge. Next, we're going to throw in some creepy contacts real quick. I'll have a discount code down below. I'm also making sure to paint my ears so that way it all just blends cohesively. I'm then priming my eyelids with some eyeshadow primer, and then using a black eyeshadow, I'm placing this all over the lid, and then also really packing it in that inner corner, pretty much bringing it all the way up to my eyebrow, and then just blending outward from that, making it nice and smoky but also nice and dark. Also make sure to hit that lower lid area as well, and then use a black eyeliner to fill in the waterline. Going back in with that black shadow, I'm using this to start chiseling out my cheekbones and my nose. Blend all that out. I'm bringing up that nose contour all the way up to the eyes, connecting it with the shadow up there, and then further connecting it in that inner corner and kind of creating a really chiseled, cleaned out shape. And I'm just going back in with that white face paint to clean up those edges. So my camera decided to stop filming before I was completely done with the eyes, but basically all that I did was drag that outer corner all the way to the hairline, creating a nice kind of sharp angular shape there, and then taking some false lashes and popping those on, and then on to drawing in our mouth. So using an eyebrow pencil, I'm just starting to sketch out the general shape of the mouth we're going for today. And then drawing in the teeth, I'm going in and just creating various sizes. And once we're done with that, I'm going to take some black water activated face paint on a small paintbrush and just start filling in the inside portion of the mouth, starting to outline those teeth, and then going in with some red water activated face paint, going around the teeth area to fill in these quote-unquote gums, and then going back in with the black and then further defining the teeth, and then using some black eyeshadow to start to fill in the perimeter of the mouth that we had sketched out earlier. With this whole portion, you guys, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't know what I was really doing. I was just kind of going in, trying some stuff out if I liked it, and then just going in with black, white, and gray water activated face paints and just kind of sketching stuff out, shaping things out until it just got to the point that I liked it. Trying my best to create highlights and shadows and depth where I could, and essentially just creating these kind of folds throughout the sides of the mouth. And then I'm going back in with the red and just kind of trying to make those gum areas pop a little bit more, adding a little bit of red accents in the sides of the mouth, and then also going in with some white and doing little highlights on the top of each of the gums to make them pop out a little bit more. And then using a little bit of that shadow again, I'm starting to kind of shape a lower lip kind of thing, and then starting to sketch out the no and yes under each eye. Sorry it looks backwards on the camera, you know how cameras do that sometimes. But then I'm going over that with the red face paint, and then also using some black face paint to kind of define just some of the edges on the wording here, just so it pops out a little bit more. I'm then going through and covering my entire upper body and neck in the black face paint. And then once that has dried down, I'm going in with the white face paint and starting to write out the alphabet on my chest here, going from A to M in that first line, and then N to Z in that second line. I'm then going in with that white on my shoulders, creating these circles just around that area. I decided not to do anything too stylized or design-wise in these portions just because I knew my wig was going to be covering them, so there really wasn't a point. Once I was finished with that though on both sides, I'm then taking a Q-tip and then just starting to carve out the word OUIJA in that black face paint and then filling that in with a red eyeliner pencil. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just outlining the letters with some white face paint. I'm also using that white face paint to just start creating some swirly designs around the OUIJA and give it a little bit more of a stylized effect. I'm then popping it on a wig before using some Prose Aid to apply my little forehead piece here. So I'm applying the Prose Aid on my forehead and on the back of the accessory here, and then just holding that onto my forehead until it dries down. And that is it, guys! You are now a OUIJA demon. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching this video today. Subscribe if you have not already. We still have a few more looks to go for the Halloween season. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed or learned something today. Share it with your friends if you feel the need to. As always, thank you guys so much for your continued love and support. I really, really appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Mwah!